What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to look for my dignity. I'm still looking. I'm just kidding. Today I did my 2019 homecoming makeup, and honestly, I am obsessed with this freaking look. If you'd like to achieve this beautiful look, then just keep on watching. First thing I'm doing is pulling out my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer. I love this concealer so much, and actually for homecoming, I just put on concealer. I didn't put on any foundation or anything, usually because I barely ever wear foundation. I really just don't use it. I mean, I feel like I don't need to use it, so I just use concealer, and honestly, this stuff works so well. I love it. And I actually already did my eyebrows because I went to school today, and I always fill in my eyebrows before I go to school. But usually I would do my eyebrows and then I put on my eye concealer, but again, I already did them, so I'm not doing them again. Okay, now I'm taking out my Too Faced Natural Lust Bronzer, and I am just going to be doing my contour slash bronzer, obviously. And now we're moving on to our eyes. So I'm pulling out my ColourPop Sandstorm palette. I absolutely love this palette. I just got it. So first I'm just going to be dipping into the color Sea Stars and just putting that on my crease. And now I'm going into the color Feathered, and I'm just putting that also on my crease, really defining it. Next I'm going into the color Let Me Explain, and I'm just putting that on my brow bone. Now I'm taking back out my Born This Way Too Faced concealer, and I'm just going to be putting this on my eyelid. And now I'm going to be going back into the color Feathered, and I'm just going to be putting that on the outer corner of my eyelid. And then I'm just going to be taking the color Let Me Explain and putting that the rest of the way on my eyelid. And now I'm taking out my Too Faced Tutti Frutti liquid eyeshadow in the color Guava Glitz, and I'm just going to be putting this next to the color Feathered, but sort of in the center of my eye. So now I'm going back into my ColourPop palette, and I'm just going to be taking the color Hungry Ghost, and since it's glitter, I'm going to be just dabbing it on top of the Guava Glitz liquid eyeshadow that we just applied. One tip that I could give you is just to make sure that you dab it, so that way it doesn't get on any other part of your eye. Now I'm just taking out my NYX Professionals, that is the point eyeliner in the color Hella Fine, and I'm just going to be doing a wing. Now we're moving on to our under eye, so I'm going to be taking out my NYX Professionals eye pencil in the color Black Shimmer, and I'm just going to be putting this on my waterline. Now I'm going back into my ColourPop palette, and I'm going to be going back into the color Feathered, and I'm just going to be putting that on the outer corner of my under eye. Okay, and then I'm going to be going back into my Guava Glitz Too Faced liquid eyeshadow, and I'm going to be putting that the rest of the way underneath my eye in the inner corner. Now I'm taking out my NYX Professionals Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Cottage Cheese, and I'm just going to be putting this in the inner corner of my eye. Okay guys, I will be right back. I'm going to go do the other eye off camera, and then we will go on with everything else. So I finished my other eye, and they look super cute. I actually love this look so much. It's so beautiful. Anyways, so I actually popped on some lashes, and now I'm moving on to highlighter and blush. So I'm just pulling out my Too Faced Fruit Cocktail Blush Duos, and this is in the color Berries and Bubbly, and I'm just going to be using the highlighter and blush in it. I'm pulling out my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm just going to obviously be applying mascara to combine my false lashes with my real ones. Now I'm pulling out my Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Lipstick in the color Queen Bee, and I'm just going to be applying that to my lips. Okay, beauty babes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any video requests or review requests or sing requests or anything like that, and I'll try my hardest to do them. If you'd like to follow me on my social media, it will be located all right over here, and it'll also be linked down below, so you guys should definitely check that out. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, it is obviously the subscribe button down below, and make sure you hit the bell icon next to it so you get notified whenever I upload any new videos, which is actually on Fridays at noon, but maybe someday I'll post one an extra or something earlier. I don't really know. Haven't done it yet and I've been on YouTube for a year, but like, you never know. Anyways, I think that's all I have to say. Okay, bye-bye, beauty babes. Love you. Look at that bubble brush. Bye, guys.